Welcome to the world of civilization.
But how did ancient Japan transform simple sand into the world's sharpest sword?
The answer begins with a rare black sand found in Japan's rivers and mountains.
Over 1,000 years ago, swordsmiths began with iron-rich black sand called satetsu. This precious material was the foundation of every legendary blade.
Each grain contained the potential for extraordinary strength.
To the untrained eye, it looked ordinary. To a master, it was treasure. The journey from river to furnace was the first step in a sacred craft. Soon, earth, fire, and human skill would unite.
The tatara furnace was built entirely by hand.
Here, sand would begin its transformation into steel.
For 3 days and nights, the furnace burned without rest. Timing and precision were everything. The intense heat purified the metal.
From ordinary sand emerged Tamahagane, the jewel steel of Japan.
At the end of smelting, the furnace was destroyed to reveal its treasure. Only the finest pieces were chosen. Each fragment held unique carbon properties.
Balance was essential. Hardness for the edge, flexibility for the spine.
This careful selection determined the sword's ultimate performance.
Now, the forging process truly begins. Each blow refined the steel further.
Molding removed impurities and distributed carbon evenly.
A single blade could be folded more than a dozen times. This created strength, resilience, and beauty.
The iconic grain of a katana was born from these countless layers.
Traditional katanas combined multiple steels in one blade.
This ingenious design balanced durability and flexibility. Fire fused the metals into a single form.
The katana's elegant profile starts to emerge.
Every strike required perfect control.
The future cutting edge was meticulously crafted.
This was both science and art.
Centuries of knowledge guided every movement.
Precision shaped the blade before hardening.
Next came one of the katana's greatest secrets.
This coating controlled how the blade would cool.
It set the stage for the legendary hamon line. The moment of truth had arrived.
One instant would define the sword forever.
The rapid cooling hardened the edge instantly.
A perfect quench was a triumph of skill. Its wave-like line revealed the soul of the sword.
Polishing would take days, sometimes weeks.
Each stone refined the edge further. The steel's hidden beauty slowly appeared.
Now the katana's legendary sharpness came alive. Absolutely flawless craftsmanship.
No two hamon patterns are ever identical.
Each sword became a unique masterpiece.
A sword's balance depended on every component. Traditional materials provided both grip and beauty. The wrapping ensured control in battle. Even the guard was a work of art. The katana was finally complete.
Protected, polished, and ready.
A symbol of discipline, honor, and mastery. For the warrior, it was an extension of the soul.
The katana became the kapla, the defining weapon of the samurai.
Its balance allowed unmatched precision.
Clean, effortless, and devastatingly effective.
Sharpness was measured by perfection.
Even the lightest touch revealed its razor edge.
Model tests still marvel at its performance. The precision on display here is truly remarkable.
Its edge remains among the finest ever created.
Precision at the microscopic level made the difference.
For centuries, this blade shaped Japanese history.
It represented duty, loyalty, and honor.
But the katana was more than a weapon. It was a philosophy.
Today, only a handful of masters preserve this art.
Their techniques remain rooted in ancient wisdom.
Knowledge is passed from one generation to the next.
角度を調整してまい。そうだ、よとやったな。
Each blade carries centuries of heritage.
The process still demands patience, precision, and devotion.
How many times is this folded?
This is the result of 15 folds.
Every authentic katana bears the mark of its creator. A personal legacy forged in steel. Each one is both weapon and artwork. Their value extends far beyond price.
Tafnada. Owning one means preserving history itself.
The legend comes full circle.
From sand to steel, its journey is extraordinary.
A testament to human ingenuity and artistry. Its spirit lives through every movement.
Centuries later, the katana still inspires awe. It truly is a testament to the master swordsmiths.
Its sharpness remains almost unmatched.
Forged by fire, perfected by tradition. Beauty and power united in steel.
And it all began with simple black sand.
1,000 years of craftsmanship endure.
Respect remains at the heart of the craft.
Ancient methods continue to shape modern masterpieces. The transformation is as magical as ever.
Few arts blend science, skill, and spirit so perfectly.
Every blade tells a story. And every story begins with fire and sand. The katana remains a timeless icon. Legend, craftsmanship, and honor converge here.
This is how Japan forged the world's sharpest sword.
One strike. Absolute precision. A masterpiece, born from earth and flame.
Its beauty is as legendary as its edge.
Tradition bridges the centuries.
Honor lives in every blade. Nature gave the materials. Human hands shaped the miracle. From sand came one of history's greatest creations.
The Japanese katana, forever the world's most iconic and extraordinary blade.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept. then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.